The surgical light dimmed, and the screen flashed success. For most pancreatic cancer patients, this is the moment hope begins. Yet, for 80% of them, it is merely the start of a silent, terrifying countdown. Beneath the surface, microscopic cells, invisible to the most advanced scans, hide in the blood, waiting for the perfect moment to strike back. Mark, a patient who had just undergone a complex resection, stared at his post-op results with a heavy heart. He knew the statistics all too well, a mere 14-month survival expectancy. For him, the fear of recurrence was not just a possibility, it was an expectation. He felt like a man walking on a thin wire, waiting for the wind to blow. But in a clinical suite across the ocean, a team led by Dr. Zev Weinberg was about to change that narrative forever. They introduced ELI-0022P, the world's first universal, off-the-shelf vaccine targeting the KRAS mutation found in 90% of pancreatic cancers. No long waits for genetic sequencing, no expensive, months-long custom manufacturing. This was the seismic shift from elite, bespoke medicine to accessible, rapid response therapy. Mark entered the Phase 1 trial, receiving his first dose. The mechanism was surgical in its precision. It targeted the lymph nodes, training his immune system to recognize the specific KRAS mutation. 6 months later, the data from Nature Medicine confirmed the breakthrough. Among 25 participants, 85% successfully activated a dual-layer immune response. CD4 cells acted as commanders, directing the battle, while CD8 cells functioned as a specialized strike force, forming long-term memory to patrol the body for any rogue cells. For the high-response group, the median recurrence-free survival time reached a point that could not yet be calculated. Most remained entirely cancer-free. 6 patients saw their tumor markers drop to 0, a state nearing clinical remission. Mark returned for his follow-up, his heart racing. The scan showed no signs of recurrence. His blood work was clear. The invisible enemy had been found. Meanwhile, back in China, a parallel revolution was unfolding. The mRNA vaccine, XP1, targeting the KRAS G12V mutation, was already showing incredible clinical promise. A 69-year-old patient, once facing terminal prospects and fading fast, watched in awe as his lung lesions vanished after participating in the trial. This is not just one story. It is a global movement. The era of the king of cancers being an automatic death sentence is finally coming to an end. By combining universal preventative vaccines with personalized therapy, the standard of care is shifting. For those standing on the edge of uncertainty, the message is clear. The battlefield has changed. The cells that once hid in the shadows are now being hunted. For the first time, time is on the patient's side.